This program mainly caters for orphans and vulnerable kids or maybe needy learners. Before this program was initiated in my school, learners, they had meals only once a day, but now they eat twice a day. And also, learners are under the supervision of educators from 7:30 until 3. But now, hence this program was initiated, learners can be able to stay at school until 4 o'clock, and they are supervised by the facilitators of aftercare, and they help them with the meals, a fully balanced diet meal, and also they help them with the homeworks.
I think, rural development, I believe it's part of the social development agenda. And as such, achieving social development goals, it's not only the responsibility of government. In as much as, the government has got a role to play, like for instance, in terms of creating an enabling environment, like through policy development, business and the private sector also have a pivotal, role to play. Like for instance, with businesses, through their corporate social responsibility initiatives, they can actually have a huge impact, in this rural development objectives. And I think what's happening here with the partnership between us as Child Welfare South Africa, LUSA, the Community Chest, and what Val Toyota is doing, it's a perfect example of that multi-sectoral collaboration that is needed to achieve rural development objectives.
We knew that we wanted to do something in the community, and we knew that we wanted to help kids. So this was the perfect opportunity to get involved very quickly and very easily within our community. We found out that the kids around here, that the school only had enough resources to feed them from Monday to Thursday. So we knew we had to step in and do something by helping them on feeding them on a Friday as well. Everybody at Val Toyota Sasolburg is an active member in this project. We've divided ourselves into 3 groups, and each week one of the groups have to take responsibility of getting the food ready, coming to the school, feeding the kids, and doing everything for that day. The main objective is to boost school attendance, and we are hoping that with the kids, if they have food in their stomach, they're going to be able to learn better and keep themselves out of trouble.
This program doesn't only focus on giving the learners some meals, but also during holidays, they also are here at school, and they also make the learners to perform, do drama, music, and also some sport. So this program really helps my school to improve the standard of teaching and learning.
Our future plans with this group is because there are so many talented kids within this group, we would like to take them to Idols and other talent shows to give them the exposure that we know can take them further.
Words cannot describe or explain the way I feel about this program. I would like really to thank all the stakeholders involved, especially Val Toyota, because they are the ones that come here at my school with some food for the learners. And also thank Child Welfare, because this program was initiated by them in my school. I'd like also to thank learners who are involved in this program, thank educators, thank the SMT, thank the SGB, the parents, and everybody that is involved in the project, because they help also to improve on what we want to do in my school. Because our school vision, it is to promote or to offer quality education to the learners. And through this program, we can be able to attain that.